Hey guys! Alright, so I'm coming back at you again with a skincare video. A lot of you guys and people just in the streets in general have been saying, hey, your skin looks really good. And it's been, I'm filming this video because it actually looks really good right now, and I don't know how long that's gonna last. So we're gonna take advantage of this right now. Like I stated before, I just want to preface this by saying, again, I have hormonal acne. So right now, my hormonal acne, my hormones are in sync, I guess. And so I'm not experiencing any breakouts. This is the skin that I am normally have been used to for my entire life, except for the last year and a half. It just came out of nowhere on me. So, but yeah. And I really appreciate good skin now because of the struggles of hormonal acne. It was horrible. So I'm just going to show you guys. Okay. Preface this by saying also my skincare routine is a little complex. I'm a skincare fanatic, one would say. I'm a product junkie. So I use. I'm going to tell you what I use, and I'm going to also give you a simplified version so that you're not like, oh my god, sensory overload. We're not going to do that to you. We're going to simplify it, give you what I do, and then simplify it for you. So, here we go. Let's start with cleansing first, this first part. So for cleansing, I double cleanse. That means I cleanse my face twice. I feel like my skin really benefits from it, so that's what I do. In a previous older video, I think from like last year, I was using soap or a cleanser both times. What I started doing is, instead of using a actual soap, I am using now micellar water, and you can pick, this is Garnier Skin Active micellar, how to say that word correctly, cleansing water. It cleanses, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, eyes, all skin types, even sensitive, and this stuff does work very well. You get off the top layer of gunk, you know, so for me, it works really well. It's gentle and it's not drying. That's why I switched to this, because I don't know what happened with my skin. When I turned 30, it's like my skin, I was used to oily skin all my life. And now, like I said, maybe it's the hormones. I don't know. Maybe it's age. I don't know. But my skin is not as oily as it used to be. Sometimes, like right now, it's actually on the dry side. So I'm trying to use things that are a little bit less drying and not necessarily moisturizing, but just less drying, and this is one of them. So this is the first step that I use. I take a cotton pad. I get these from Dollar Tree. I do not pay more than $1 for these. I refuse. These are 100% pure cotton rounds. I get 80 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Hit them up. And the second step I do in my cleansing is I use my Mario Badescu Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. I like this cleanser because it cleanses and it also helps exfoliate in a way. But chemical exfoliation, that's what, if you're not familiar with glycolic acids, or a lot of acids in general that you will see in your skincare routine, they exfoliate the skin without physically doing it, without the scrubbing. It's a chemical exfoliant, so that keeps your skin, keep your baby skin fresh, coming through at all times. And a little tip for you guys, don't just wash your face and put it on your face, rub it a little bit, rinse it off. I like to let my cleanser sit, let it break down any oil or whatever. I like to let it sit on my face for like a minute or two at minimum, so that you get the most for your money, especially when you have a cleanser that is supposed to actually do something besides cleanse. And this is one of those. It says exfoliate up to 3 times a week with our glycolic acid-based cleanser designed to dissolve dulling dead skin cells and reveal a clean, refreshed complexion. So yeah, you don't need to read the directions for that. If you want it, Amazon, Ulta, same price either way. So this is another, this is Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. And this, it says, wash away makeup and surface debris, leaving skin clean, refreshed with our non-foaming gel cleanser. Alpha hydroxy acids found naturally in papaya and grapefruit gently exfoliate the buildup of dead skin cells that can block pores and cause blemishes. Dense, dull skin looks rejuvenated and healthy. Why can I not read today? So yeah, this is what I use. If my skin is feeling really dry, I'm not going to use this glycolic foaming cleanser. I'm going to use the micellar water first. Then I'm going to use this, let this sit on my face as a mask first. Okay? That's what I'm going to do first and let it sit there. I usually let this sit for like 10 minutes. Like really let it marinate because it's a non-foaming gentle cleanser. But when you leave it on there, you can feel something happening. So I like to use this, especially when my skin is dry. For my toners, I have two different toners that I use depending on how my skin is behaving. So I use this toner. As you can see, I'm almost done. The glycolic acid toner is the toner to the glycolic cleansing gel. So this is what I use. This is pretty mild. It doesn't burn, it doesn't sting or anything like that. And this is just when I use my skin is feeling normal. Nothing is happening. It's just being itself. This is what I use when I'm having an active breakout. If I see a pimple, a whitehead, this is what is going on. This is the Clean & Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Astringent with salicylic acid. This will treat your acne. If I like to put it on, if let's just say my skin is dry overall, but I'm having a breakout, I'll take a Q-tip and I'll place this on it and hold it on it for a minute. It helps it to dry out, and literally 24, 48 hours, the pimple's non-existent. Literally, I had like 3 pimples on my face yesterday. Little tiny whitehead. I ate too much sugar. I had cotton candy. Y'all pray for me. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. So yeah, I had cotton candy, and then I got some pimples. They were tiny little minuscule pinhead-sized pimples. Put this on it, boom, where did they go? I don't know. So that is for the cleansing and toning. If you guys have more questions, let me know. And just a few tips that I've given maybe on my older videos. I used to use a Clarisonic. I don't use that anymore. What I do use now is just facial wipes. You can use baby wipes, facial wipes. I recommend baby wipes. You get more in a package. Doesn't really make a difference. But use baby wipes, something soft and gentle on your face. I also, when I dry my face, I try to use paper towel instead of using a towel, because a towel can harbor more germs on it in comparison to your paper towel. But don't tug at your face, just pat, 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 pat. We're not tugging at our face. Treat your skin gently, because contrary to common belief, black sometimes does crack, and we want to keep it nice. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Anything that I mentioned here, I'll be glad to link for you guys. The Mario Badescu stuff you can get at Ulta and or Amazon. I'll link it to my Amazon store below. You can also get the Clean & Clear at the Walgreens, the Walmart, the Target, whatever store you go to. These all these items are under $20. I believe all of them I can safely say are under $15. If you are a high school student or someone who is on a budget, what I would recommend you getting is getting the glycolic foaming cleanser and the glycolic acid toner. If you just have regular, you know, regular schmegular skin, this is what you get. If you have acne prone skin, I would recommend these two. Just to keep it simple, to keep it affordable. And like I said, these are the things that I've accumulated over time. It's not something that I've gone out. These are just products that I have found work for me. So if you guys have any more questions, let me know. I'll do another part to this video for skincare so you guys can get my full routine. It's gonna be long, it's gonna be intense, so bear with me. I'm trying to get you guys as much information as I can. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. I'm rambling. Bye.